Happy morning, students. Hope you have done the word meanings and sentences of chapter 9. Today we'll discuss the question answers, but remember, don't do the question answers from this video. I'll upload the question answers and RTC'S in the study material on portal. Do it from there. Just listen and try to understand these questions. First question is, why were the scientists racing against time to launch the MOM? What is the full form of MOM? It's Mars Orbiter Mission. तो साइंटिस्ट क्यों फाइट कर रहे थे टाइम से टू लॉन्च द MOM? The scientists were racing against time because they wanted to send a satellite into orbit around Mars. क्योंकि वो सैटेलाइट को भेजना चाहते थे into the orbit around Mars planet. Okay. What was the first challenge for the scientists? How was it solved? The first challenge for the scientists was to generate a lot of speed as the engine was not strong enough. उनका engine strong नहीं था ना. So this was the first challenge. और ये solve कैसे हुआ? It was solved by making the satellite orbit around the earth 6 times. उन्होंने 6 टाइम्स उसका ऑर्बिट बनाया था ना, बहुत स्पीड जनरेट की थी, उसको घुमा घुमा के बॉल वाला एग्जाम्पल दिया था ना मैंने आपको कि वो बॉल को जैसे घुमाते हैं ऐसे ही उन्होंने घुमाया था तो उसकी स्पीड एकदम से जनरेट हो गई थी. सो दैट वाज सॉल्व्ड लाइक दिस. व्हाट वाज द सेकंड चैलेंज फॉर द साइंटिस्ट एंड व्हाई? The second challenge for the scientists was getting the satellite into Mars orbit. Second challenge क्या था? First challenge तो ये था कि वो इंजन स्ट्रॉन्ग नहीं था. Second challenge था कि अब वो उसको मार्स के ऑर्बिट में कैसे पहुंचाएं. अदरवाइज कई बार ये होता है कि उसकी स्पीड अगर हाई होती तो वो मार्स को क्रॉस कर जाता, अगर स्पीड लो होती तो वो मार्स को हिट कर देता and due to which वो सैटेलाइट डिस्ट्रॉय हो जाती. ठीक है. The second challenge for the scientist was getting the satellite into Mars orbit. But the answers are almost same. Just you have to understand the language. Okay. How do the panels are at the bottom of the second page of the comic show you how difficult things used to be for ISRO list 2 ways. अब वो कह रहे हैं कि जो पैनल था द 2 उनके जो सेकंड पेज है इस कॉमिक के उसमें ISRO के लिए क्या डिफिकल्ट थिंग्स थी. ओके. व्हाट वाज द सेकंड पेज? दिस वाज द सेकंड पेज. ठीक है. इसमें क्या उनके लिए डिफिकल्टी थी? सॉरी, दिस वॉज द फर्स्ट पेज एंड दिस वॉज द सेकेंड पेज. इसमें डिफ़िकल्टी क्या थी कि वो हमारा प्रॉपरली वहाँ पर कैसे पहुँचे, उसके सेंटर में कैसे पहुँचे, कि वो वहाँ पर प्रॉपर इसको कैरी करना. यहाँ पर देखो फॉरेस्ट रोड से कैसे कैरी करते थे इसरो में. ठीक है. बुलक कार्ट्स पे, साइकिल पे, ये सारी प्रॉब्लम्स हमने इस आंसर में बतानी है. ओके. Firstly, the panel shows that the ISRO center is in the middle of the wild forest. ISRO center कहाँ था? It was in the middle of the wild forest. बिल्कुल फॉरेस्ट के बीच में था. ओके. Also, there was no proper roads. वहाँ पर कोई भी proper roads नहीं थी. ठीक है. There was no proper roads to carry important parts of the satellite. The panel shows the parts being carried through bicycles and bullock carts. अब ये देखो यहाँ पर पिक्चर से क्या शो हो रहा है कि वो फॉरेस्ट के मिडल में है. ठीक है. पिक्चर से शो हो रहा है ना कि वहाँ पर प्रॉपर रोड्स भी नहीं है. ठीक है. उसे अब कैसे कैरी करके लेकर जा रहे हैं? वो साइकिल से. और यहाँ पर मेंशन है ना कि वो मैंने आपको बताया था बुलक कार्ट से कैरी करके लेकर जाते थे एंड साइकिल से कैरी करके लेकर जाते थे. ओके. So this was the problem they were facing. So firstly, the panel shows that the ISRO center is in the middle of the forest, middle of the wild forest. Also, there was no proper roads to carry important parts of the satellite. The panel shows that parts being carried through bicycle and bullock carts. Okay. Now next question is, in the last panel of the comic, whom are the scientists speaking to? How do you know? In the last panel of the comic, the scientists are speaking to the young reader as they are talking of giving them responsibility in the future. What they are doing? Here they are carrying it in the bullock cart, as I had explained you, and who knows, maybe someday it might be up to you to lead us to the stars. Means they are giving the responsibility to the future students, to us, to the young generation, to you all. You all are the young readers ना. They are giving the responsibility to you कि आपको एक दिन वो आप हम सबको stars पर भी आप घुमा कर लाओगे. Okay, this was the responsibility. Okay, let's do the RTCs. In case you have any doubt in the question answers, do call me, I'll explain. So they made the satellite orbit around the Earth 6 times and waited until it picked up enough speed. Who are they? कौन थे they? They are the scientists working in ISRO. They are scientists working in ISRO. How many times did the satellite orbit around the Earth? How many times? 6 times. The satellite orbit around the Earth 6 times. What did they wait for the satellite to gather speed? They waited for the satellite to gather speed because they wanted to place it in Mars orbit, which required a lot of speed. उन्होंने क्यों वेट की थी? Why did they wait for the satellite to gather speed? Because वो चाहते थे कि मार्स ऑर्बिट में उसको इतनी स्पीड मिल जाए कि वो मार्स ऑर्बिट में प्रॉपरली एंटर कर जाए. Okay, next RTC. Everyone was on tender hook until they heard 3 little words. What were the 3 little words? MOM. What were the 3 little words? MOM in orbit. Okay. Who are referred to as everyone? Everyone was scientists working in ISRO. It refers to the scientists working in ISRO. What is the meaning of the expression on tender hook? Tender hook means सबकी जान अटकी हुई थी ना. It means to be in a state of suspense because of uncertainty about an event. क्योंकि उन्हें डाउट था कि MOM एंटर कर पाएगा नहीं कर पाएगा, वो ऑर्बिट में घुस जाएगा, वो ऑर्बिट के उसके मार्स के ऑर्बिट में घूमेगा या नहीं घूमेगा. ओके, दैट वाज द डाउट. What were the 3 little words? The 3 little words were MOM in orbit. Okay, I had added one more question. What is the full form of ISRO? It's of your general knowledge question. Indian Space Research Organization. Hope you all are clear with these questions and RTCs. In case you have any doubt, do call me. Thank you. Have a nice day. Complete these question answers and RTCs in your notebooks. I'll wait for you in the next week in school. Bye-bye. Have a nice day.